Food processor, yeah? Don't use blender. If you use blender, the texture too smooth. It's better using the chopper. Yeah, you still have the chunky texture. So you need to boil it again. You need to boil it again, and then you need to season it with the sweet soy sauce, salty soy sauce, and palm sugar syrup. And also you need to add the maybe for you easier like
Small cube ya.
okay. For me, something like this.
And this isn't finished. And now we need to do pounding. Before we pounding, what we need to do, we need to add coriander seed. So this is the coriander seed. 1 spoon coriander. Is this yellow sauce too?
Yeah, this is for the yellow sauce. Yeah, and this is 1 teaspoon white peppercorn.